Ciena's latest contribution consists of 3 network platforms with a speed of over 200 gigabits per second, as well as 3 wave servers, one for each optical network platform. These are some of the latest technologies that service providers and optical carriers are using to connect the world together.
Having the students to be trained on these optical communication platforms and building optical communication networks and design also the optical communication networks, which is basically based on laser technology. The students not only just operating the system and building traffic, but also designing the components of the laser diodes and the photodiodes of the system. So that is the beauty of this technology.
This contribution will help Algonquin College students become the operators, designers, and leaders of the future.